Good mighty morning, Owls. This is Miss Weiner. Today is Monday, May 3rd, 2021. Please rise and help me recite the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Please remain standing and help me recite the Texas Pledge. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to thee, Texas, one state, under God, one indivisible. Now it's time for the Owl Pledge. Say it with me. I will succeed in school with wisdom and with knowledge. I'll give 100%. I will go to college. I'll do whatever it takes, just like my parents do. I'll sweat the small stuff, just like my teachers do. I'll give no excuses each and every day. I'll close the achievement gap, working hard in every way. With my team and family, I give my Owl Pledge. I will succeed in school with wisdom and knowledge. Go Owls! Hoot, hoot! Now for a moment of silence. You may be seated. As you know, IDSL Flores Academy is the best elementary school in the state of Texas. Good things happen here every day. Here's some things that your family will read in the Family Weekly. As you know, this week is Teacher Appreciation Week, so show your teachers some appreciation. Some different ideas. Today, send your teacher a note to help them have a great week. Tomorrow, send flowers to brighten their day. Wednesday, send a sweet treat to help them have a sweet day. Thursday, send a little something to help them practice a little self-care, like a journal or a nice smelling candle. Friday, send a special gift card. So that is that this week. On Wednesday, May 5th, scholars, you can be out of uniform. So you can wear special dress for Cinco de Mayo. All right, so wear some traditional Mexican folk wear. We are super excited to see that. Also, we have 50 royal readers. Halfway to our goal. Keep in mind that our National and our SoFlo Academy Royal Reader virtual event will be on May 21st. All right, scholars, we are going to have an amazing week and an amazing day. We'll see you in the classroom. It's a great day to learn. Hoot, hoot!